find the beaver a fascinating creature, as it's responsible for restoring our wildlands. It's a keystone animal that helps create and improve the wetlands. So it can take a stream that's basically all desert. In Idaho, there's an amazing picture of how the wildfires burned one side and burned the other side, but the area where the beaver was, the beaver had made it so green that it didn't burn at all. So it is a very essential critter for wildlife restoration and habitat, and I find the beaver slides so amazing. So the beavers are certainly an amazing creature. Thank you for watching our video. It is my goal to improve 1% per every video. So if I made any improvement at all, please like the video. And if you could subscribe, that would be great. It would be great to have 25 subscribers. So I look forward to seeing you in our next video, in which I am going to learn how to use the GoPro and time lapse and show a landscape restoration project that Mike and I are doing. We're doing a restoration project to our front yard, basically making it all native, mostly all native, in our front flower bed. And we did a restoration project of our friend's lawn. We took out the grass, put landscaping in, and made it all native species, which are water resistant, which are wonderful for the land. So have a great day.